Hi, Mom and Dad. Your tech journey, overcoming anxiety. In today's video, we're going to talk about something important, tech anxiety. Yep, that feeling you get when technology changes or there's just too much information. But don't worry, I have got some tips to help you navigate through it. So, let's dive in. Facing changes. You know, change can be a bit scary sometimes, especially when it comes to technology. Maybe a new update looks different, or a device gets an upgrade. But guess what? Change is a part of life, and it's okay to feel a little unsure. Take a deep breath, explore the changes step by step, and remember that you can do this. Embracing change helps us grow and adapt to the amazing tech world around us. I am here to guide you through the wonderful world of technology. Let's explore ways to ease fears, embrace mistakes, and have patience in this tech journey. First things first, it's important to understand the common fear of making mistakes or breaking something. Tech can feel terrifying and overwhelming, and that's completely okay. Acknowledging these fears is the first step towards overcoming them. Understanding common fears. It's critical to understand the common fears that you may have. The fear of making mistakes or breaking something is normal. Tech can feel overwhelming and confusing, especially with new changes and developments happening too fast. Recognizing these fears is the first step towards overcoming them. It's okay to feel overwhelmed or anxious about technology. Acknowledge these feelings without judgment and understand that many people share similar concerns. Remember, Mom and Dad, there is no judgment here. I am with you every step of the way to help you solve most of your tech issues. But it is best to get the foundation first before you do more hands-on work. Identify your concerns. Pinpoint what part of technology causes you anxiety. Is it the fear of making mistakes, the pace of change, or the amount of information? Identifying specific concerns helps me to find you good solutions. Embrace a learning mindset. Technology is an ever-changing field, and it's okay not to know everything. No one person knows everything. So, that means learning is an ongoing process. Right? Accept a learning mindset, viewing each challenge as an opportunity to acquire new skills. Remember, making mistakes is a natural part of learning. I want to emphasize the beauty of a learning mindset. Instead of fearing mistakes, I encourage you to see them as stepping stones to understanding. It's like learning to ride a bike. It's okay if you wobble at first. With patience and practice, you'll gain confidence and soon you will be off on your own. Patience is the key to conquering tech anxiety. My videos are crafted with this in mind. I understand that everyone learns at their own pace, and that's perfectly fine. By providing step-by-step guidance and breaking down complex tech processes into manageable chunks, I aim to instill confidence and foster a sense of accomplishment. Embracing skills. Let's switch gears and talk about skills. Learning new things can be exciting, like unlocking a superpower. Whether it's using a new app, mastering a game, or exploring creative tools, it's all about building skills. Don't be afraid to try, make mistakes, and learn from them. You might discover talents you never knew you had. Information overload. Now, let's talk about information overload. Imagine it's like having too many books to read at once. It can be overwhelming. But here's the trick: take it one chapter at a time. Break down the information into smaller pieces, focus on what's important to you, and don't be afraid to take breaks. Just like in school, you don't have to learn everything in one day. Learning to manage information helps make tech a friend, not a foe. Here are a few ways to help you overcome tech anxiety. Use learning resources. Mom and Dad, I am here to provide you with learning resources. I will be putting together countless tutorials and informational videos to help you with your skill levels. These videos will serve as a step-by-step guide to embracing technology and solving problems. Connect with others. I hope to create a tech community here on YouTube to serve as a platform for older adult learners. I want you and other individuals to share their experiences, and I will offer support. Connecting with others who have faced similar challenges can provide valuable understanding and encouragement. Practice digital detox. Set aside dedicated time for a digital detox. This means taking time off the internet and apps, and disconnecting from screens, even briefly, can help ease stress and provide mental clearness. By doing so creates a healthy balance. Establish boundaries. Set boundaries for your technology use. Choose specific times for checking emails or social media, and avoid constant connectivity. Creating a healthy relationship with technology involves maintaining balance. Celebrate progress. Recognize and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. Overcoming technology anxiety is a journey, and acknowledging your growth boosts confidence and motivation. Remember, you're not alone in navigating the digital realm. By taking these steps, you can turn technology anxiety into an opportunity for growth and empowerment. Embrace the journey, be patient with yourself, and enjoy the positive transformations technology can bring to your life. This channel is all about creating a comfortable learning environment. These guided videos are designed to be like a friendly tech companion, walking you through each process with clear explanations. This way, you can follow along at your own speed, pause, rewind, and replay as needed. I want you to feel empowered, not overwhelmed. So, there you have it, facing changes, managing information, and embracing skills. This is a journey, don't be afraid of mistakes, and know that patience is the secret ingredient to mastering technology. Together, we'll turn tech fears into tech triumphs. Technology is an incredible adventure, and sometimes it's okay to feel anxious. Mom and Dad, just remember, you're not alone, and every step you take is a step towards becoming a tech-savvy superstar. I am here to support you every step of the way, and put you at ease while learning tech. Until next time, Mom and Dad, happy learning!